Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. It's Tom, and this young man was in the Air Force. Interesting story. This is another casualty of the night I went to the car show and shot 8 vehicles with the microphone not working properly, not working at all. But this young man loved this vehicle. It's a Suzuki Jimny, and this is a wide version. And while he was in the United States, he knew about him and really liked him, joined the Air Force, and was stationed in Japan, where he bought one. And this is actually the second one that he had owned, and he brought this back to the United States. Part of being in the military, if you buy a vehicle overseas, you can ship that vehicle back to the United States. And so another interesting story. And this also, he told me about the chicken tax. And then he also, this is a right-hand drive vehicle. So enjoy the video. Unfortunately, I don't have any audio for it, but it was such a unique vehicle. I got a kick out of it and thought it would be a cool video to shoot. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah. far as my eye could see. I was down the road, far as my eye could see. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I went down the road, far as my eye could see. I was down the road, far as my eye could see.